Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the Vertex Mat 3 indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator helps us identify both overbought and oversold zones, and it also generates buy and sell signals for us. This indicator is made up of 4 lines, with the red line being the main vertex line. The blue line is the signal line, or the smoothed version of the main line, and the 2 gray lines serve as the upper band and lower band of the
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Bollinger Bands. The overbought and oversold areas are identified as follows. When the vertex line, that is the red line, is above the upper band of the Bollinger Bands, like in this area, it indicates overbought conditions, and when it is below the lower band of the Bollinger Bands, like in this area, it indicates oversold conditions. Also, by the crossover of the vertex line and the signal line, we can use this as a buy or sell signal. An upward crossover is considered a buy signal, and a downward crossover, like here, or even here, is considered a sell signal. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the calculation period of this indicator, which we can set. The higher this value, the smoother the red line will be, and more noise will be filtered out. The next option is the smoothing period, or the signal line, which is the blue line. We can set it here as well. The next option is the smoothing calculation method, which we can specify here. The following option is the Bollinger Band period for the upper number line, which we can set, and we can also specify its deviation. And for the lower line, in the same way, we can separately set both the period and the deviation. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.